Hello everyone, welcome back to another video of editing basics. In this tutorial video, we are going to learn how to add a new font in Canva. First step is to open your browser. Now on search bar type in canva.com. Now delete it to a home page of the Canva website. On the left side you can see this brand option, click on it. To add a new font you have to have a Canva Pro version. So if you don't have a Pro version, you can click here and try it for 30 days. Now click on this brand kit option and scroll down until you find this fonts option. And here on the right side you can see this add new button, click on it and here you can add your desired font into the Canva. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please do like, share and subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to comment down below if you have any queries. Thank you.